Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the account with your current two-factor method. This is necessary so the system allows changes. Once signed in, go straight to Account or Security Settings and verify your recovery options, email, phone, or printed backup codes, so you don't get locked out. Make sure you have a recent backup code or an alternate verification device ready. Without one, you may need support. Once that's confirmed, proceed to the Security section to edit two-factor authentication. Once in Security Settings, locate the two-factor authentication panel and select Manage or Edit. You'll often be asked to re-enter your password and perform one more verification step. After authenticating, choose the option to turn off or remove methods, phone numbers, authenticator apps, or hardware keys, one at a time so you can confirm each removal. Make sure to delete any linked authenticator entries and unpair hardware keys. After changes, the system usually asks for final confirmation. Accept that you finish by saving changes and confirming via any notification sent to your email. This prevents unauthorized toggles. Once done, sign out and sign back in to verify two-factor is off and that only your password is required. Make sure to revoke old sessions and remove any trusted devices left linked. If something goes wrong, use saved backup codes or the account recovery flow immediately. If that fails, contact support and provide proof of identity to regain access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.